Let's now see the preview of this title block. So make sure you first save your T block and um, go to your engineering drawing and open up one of your drawings. I have this flange one drawing that I have over here. And just to see the effect of this title block is we're going to put this title block on the layout. So we're going to switch to layout and we're going to want to put a title block here, but you can see this paper is set to landscape. Okay, so we're going to hover over layout 1 because this is layout 1, and we're going to right click on this one and then click show properties, or you can go to properties over here and you can change the orientation of this paper from landscape. You want to go to portrait and it's now in portrait mode. Okay, so we are going to now let's squeeze this uh, further here inside, and we are going to change this later on. Now again, it is going to be a little laggy whenever you're manipulating your viewport. So I'm going to double click here, click zoom extents, and then double click outside. And now let's insert our title block. So we're going to go to blocks and then browse for blocks and then look at our block, block, and then insert. Okay. And then because we created our title block as 00, then we can actually type here 0, comma 0, press enter, 0, comma 0, press enter, and then there's your 00. Okay, this is 00 of your title block, of your layout. Okay, now we don't want it to be there at 00, we want this corner to be in this corner, so we're going to simply move command here, modify move, select your title block, it is a block, press check, and then pick up the endpoint here. So we're going to check endpoint is make sure its endpoint is make sure endpoint is on, and then let's remove our intersection and remove extension. Okay, and simply point there. We're going to remove also perpendicular. I think it's interfering. Okay, and insertion to nearest and insertion. There you go. We'll click that one, and we're simply going to go and try to put that as close as possible here. There you go. And then if your paper does not fit, that means that the white paper is not set at 8.5 by 11. So go again over here, right click on this one, show properties. And as you can see, the paper size is not 8.5 by 11. It is set at ISO A4. So pull that down and change it to letter 8.5 by 11. Click that. And if it moved again, well, we're simply going to move this check and point to the endpoint, and then simply do your best to point to this corner here, and then simply zoom extents, and there you have it. Okay, and we are simply going to move this away from this title block, go up, center it wherever it is, and then let's go and create a new layer, and we're going to call this layer hidden or hide, hidden or hide. Let's change this to, let's say, yellow, and then we're going to turn off the light bulb, and then we're going to select this edge here, this layout here, and then change that property to layer hide, and so we won't see that line anymore. We can also do the same thing here. Okay, well, we can only do that if we explode this, because you can see when I click on it, it belongs to the same block. Okay, so what we're going to do first, press escape, we're going to do explode, select the line, and then check how it exploded. Now you can select the edge and then change it to layer hide, and then you won't see the line on the edges. Okay. Now that we've exploded it, you can now change the title of this drawing to whatever title it is supposed to be. So the title of this drawing, double click, whoop, click, and then double click, and then triple click on the letter 1, 2, 3. And then the title of this would be flange 1, today's date. If it's today's 13, and that's it, check mark. And then we want to create a preview of this one using um, our PDF. So click this one and portrait, current layout, then click plot. Wait for the PDF to finish. Okay, PDF is generating. Once it's finished, you will see here that you can open or download it. Okay, so click download. Once you download it, you can now open it, and that is how your drawing will appear. And one thing that is wrong here is that we always want everything to be black and white when we're printing engineering drawings. So we're going to close this preview, okay, and then go back to our layers and make sure that all of this one are set to black. So we're going to set this to black, we're going to set this to black. This one won't get printed anyway, so we can leave it the same, and then we'll again click plot and then plot, and then it will create a PDF online. When it's ready, you can download that one and see what it looks like on a PDF. Click that and open the PDF, and then there you have it. So that's how your drawings will now look like using um, using a title block. One thing that you might notice is that you have more space on top than in the bottom, and you don't have this big space on the left. Um, and that is according to, or that can be changed by moving about your box. Okay, so what you could do if you see that there's more space in the bottom is you can turn on your hidden lines and then select everything and then try to move. And this time what you can do is you can select this endpoint here and move it up, and make sure that the endpoint is not selected anymore. You can deselect by pointing at it so it doesn't go about it. And then this dotted line, you want it to like be in line with that one. Make sure it's vertical when you click on that one. Okay, you moved it up, and you can now unhide again or hide again, and then you can try to see what the effect of that moving is going to look like by clicking on plot again and then plot, and then wait for the PDF to finish so you can preview what it looks like. So let's just wait, and then again it depends on the speed of your internet. You might wait for a few more seconds than I did. Click download and then open it, and now you can see that you now have more equal space on the top and at the bottom. Okay, and if you want to have a wider space here, you simply go back here. Let's close all of this first, turn on all your hidden layers, and then you're going to move again and then select everything, zoom in here, press check, and then move this corner and move it to this hidden margin and move it there. Once you moved it there, and hide again your hidden layer, and then plot, and then plot, wait for the PDF to finish. And then when it's done, simply download and open the PDF, and now you have more space on the left, just like on the drawing. Okay, So that's how to adjust or see the effect of what you wanted to do by moving the corner here, but make sure you turn off your hidden layer so you're moving everything all at once. Okay?